everyone. Today I bring to you an amazing mutton kadhai recipe which will have you drooling in no time. Take mutton in a kadhai vessel, turn the heat to medium. Drizzle some cooking oil over it. Add in the sliced onions. Place full garlics in the kadhai. Place whole tomatoes with cross slits. Add salt as per your taste. Pour in the water. Cover and cook for 90 minutes on low heat. If you are in hurry, you can also cook in pressure cooker for 4 whistles. Peel off the skin from all the tomatoes. Remove the garlic from the kadhai and remove the skin. Add back the mashed garlic. Mix, cook till mutton is tender and keep aside. Take whole coriander seeds on a pan, saute it on low heat. Add black pepper pods, then add whole black cardamom, add whole jeera, some red chili flakes, and some whole cashews to make it rich. Saute on low heat till you start smelling the aroma of spices. Grind it into a fine powder and set it aside. Take another pan and add cooking oil. Heat the oil on medium heat. Throw in the bay leaf. Add in a bit of ginger garlic paste. Saute till raw flavor goes away. Add to the cooked mutton. Mix and cook on medium heat. Now add more salt if needed. Mix. Now add the ground spices which we prepared before. Mix again. To give it a nice red color, add some Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix again. Add in some roasted and crushed kasuri methi. Add some fresh cream to give it a creamy texture. Throw in some whole green chillies for the added punch. Garnish with some finely chopped coriander for the appetizing aroma. You can also garnish with some finely chopped ginger. Ta-da! Mutton kadhai is ready. Serve it hot.